just a quick review of the book, Hand Stretches for Seniors. Step-by-step guide to hand and finger stretches for seniors to deal with everyday challenges. Basically, the book's divided up into 6 chapters. I'll go over each real briefly, just to give you an idea what's in the book. The first chapter is Understanding the Human Hand. This is the main chapter. It covers anatomy. It covers things like the bones, the muscles, the nerves of the hand. It also talks about what problems hand stretches can relieve. Chapter 2 is Getting Started with Hand Stretches, the basics. Talks about things like, seeing a doctor, warming up, and keeping an activity log, those kind of things. Chapter 3 is the warm-up exercises, and there are 6 of them. And Chapter 4 is kind of the meat and potatoes of the whole book. It's how to deal with hand discomforts through hand stretches. And basically there's a total of 52 fist, wrist, and ball stretches for your hand. So no shortage of stretches here. And Chapter 5 is a 4-week hand stretch plan for you. And then 6 talks about nutrition. So yeah, as you can see, this book covers a lot of ground, a lot of stuff, a lot of stretches here for your hand and wrist. Basically, I'm glad to see there's more books coming out now for seniors. There never used to be, especially for the hand. There just really isn't a lot out there for the hand when it comes to specifically for seniors. There's like carpal tunnel books and that kind of stuff, but specifically for seniors, glad to see more books like this coming out. Another resource might be interested in the Healthy Thumb Handbook by Jim Johnson PT. Not a ton of stretches per se in this book, but this book also is for seniors, and if you have particularly like base of thumb arthritis, which is real common, or any kind of trouble with your thumb as far as that goes, from too much texting or whatever overuse, this is a great resource. Basically, the book has a lot of pictures in it, a lot of visual learning. Things like relaxing your thumb muscles. This would be like thumb muscles. Sometimes the pain's not coming from the joint, it's in the muscles itself. Stretching does help that, pain coming from the muscles. The other thing is like, has these irritable spots called trigger points in your thumb muscles. This book will show you some trigger point therapy, how to iron those out, in case you have pain coming from the thumb muscles. Taking pressure off the thumb joints. Sometimes the thumb problem is the joint actually itself causing the pain. Is there some distraction techniques it teaches you? Just some simple ones you can do, like sitting in a chair. Getting maximal thumb joint stability. Here's basically, a lot of people know this, but your thumb, there's 2 muscles in particular, your abductor pollicis longus and your first dorsal interossei. Those are the 2 muscles that specifically stabilize your joint of your thumb. So if you want to prevent a thumb problem or you have thumb arthritis, it's absolutely essential that you strengthen those muscles. The stronger they are, probably the less pain you'll be in. Increasing thumb coordination, how to take stress off your thumb, just a whole lot of stuff for seniors that have thumb problems. But yeah, like I say, great book for seniors. I'm glad to see there's more coming out. If you're looking for stretches to do for your hand and fist, there's no shortage here, so definitely check it out.